Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day here. I think it's November 21st. I lost count of days since I retired. Anyway, today's video, I'm here in Johnson Mills Shorebird Reserve. I am 124 QSOs away from a POTA kilo here. That's the goal for today, POTA kilo. Anyways, I almost had to go somewhere else. Why? Because I got here in this beautiful parking lot that I've activated from so many times. You can't get the stove spikes in for the POTA Performer. And I said, oh my God, what am I gonna do? I don't have a hammer. I really don't wanna hammer them into the ground. I gotta come up with something. So I started looking around here for tree stumps that I can use to support these things and came up with an ingenious plan. And the whole meaning of this video is look around at what you have before you punt on an activation. So I was going to go down the street to another spot here that's part of this location, but I was just going to park there. Actually, it would have been a really nice spot. It was on the bay, right on the Bay of Fundy. But this one's out of the way, and I know I can sit here and play radio for a few hours. So what I have done is this. I have my Pelican cases, and the holes that are for the padlock, imagine that, they fit the snow spike perfectly. Let me see if I can get that into a bit more focus here. They fit the snow spike perfectly, which in tune gives me a nice level across to the POTA Performer. Now I just got to do it on the other side and then angle them so I can target Europe, and away we go. So before you give up on an activation, have a look around and see what you got. It may just spur new ideas for you to put into your portable ham radio tool chest. I'm going to be getting some 1 liter or 2 liter jugs from water, because I know Missy uses a lot of distilled water. So I'm going to keep a couple of those jugs, fill them full of pebbles, and then cut a hole at the top of so I can fit this through. And I'll just keep them in the truck. It's good for if I get stuck in snow, I can use the pebbles to give me some traction, and it also will hold these upright. There you go. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Don't give up on your activations, folks. Get out there and have some fun playing portable ham radio. 7-3 for now.